Hello, I'm Reese, and I'm an English teacher based in South Korea. I have a bachelor's degree in psychology and currently focusing on childhood development management. I've been teaching English since 2017 to Korean students, as well as learners from diverse backgrounds, spanning from kindergarten to young professionals. In my class, I emphasize interactive and enjoyable learning materials such as digital storybooks, presentation tools, and language games. I use VICI teaching method, which is based on the second language acquisition, and that stands for vision, interaction, comprehensible, and input. I make my class interactive, fun, and engaging. Are you ready to level up your English learning journey? Contact me today and book a class and discover a world of interactive language education tailored just for you. See you in my class.